In the last session, we installed Dev C++. In this session, we will understand some important menus in Dev C++ environment. So open Dev C++ using icon which is available on your desktop. Let's understand important menus here. In the file menu, you have the option to create a new file or open some existing file. You have also option to import and export the data which is available to you. In the new file menu, you can use the source file, and this is the area wherein you can type your source code of your C program. I'm not going to type entire program here right now. Once it is done, you can use save as option and save your program at the preferred directory on your computer. Make sure that the extension of the program is a .c. Name of the program can be your own choice. Let's understand the other important menus. After the file menu, there is a edit menu. Edit menu will help you to do the certain standard operations like cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. You can also comment and uncomment in the code, configure the indents using this particular menu. Search menu will help you to find certain text in the file, replace certain text. View menu is helpful to configure the things that are visible to you on the screen. There is a toolbars menu, there is a status bar. How exactly you want your Dev C++ environment to be visible, that is configurable from here. We are not going to explore project menu immediately. Let's go ahead and understand the execute menu. This is the most important one, wherein you can compile, run source programs. In the tools menu, there is a compiler option, wherein you will get the more information about the compiler. We are using GCC compiler. So different settings of the compiler, directories, and the programs associated with the compiler are visible to you. In the directories, there are the sub menus like library files, include files. They are visible to you. There is one more option, environment option. This option will help you to configure the environment of the programs. So directories, external programs, and file association is available over there. There is an editor option wherein you can configure the way editor look like. So you can choose the fonts of your own choice, choose the font size, you can choose the colors, and you can also choose the themes for displaying the source code. So you can configure the theme as per your likes. There are more options like snippets, completion, autosave, and all. A style menu is helpful to you to configure the formatting style. So you can choose the style for brackets and different things. In Windows menu, you can go ahead with full screen mode. And finally, there is a help available to you about the Dev C++. So this is a brief introduction of Dev C++. Though we discuss various menus from the Dev C++ environment, very often we will use only two important menus, that is file menu and execute menu. Rest other menus are rarely used, and we can go ahead with the default options which are available over there. So with this brief introduction, you'll be able to use Dev C++ in a best possible way. Thank you and see you again.